Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cell phone signal boosters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're struggling with dropped calls, slow data speeds, or just want more reliable connectivity at home or on the go, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the weJaxcel cell phone booster for home. This booster is designed for those who need reliable coverage in larger spaces, as it supports up to 6,000 square feet with 2 indoor antennas. It works across all major U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, and supports both 4G LTE and 5G signals. With a maximum gain of 70 dB and a robust outdoor antenna, this booster can handle weak signals and extend coverage into multiple rooms. In terms of design, the weJaxcel booster features a clean, minimalistic look with a sturdy build. Setup is fairly straightforward, but keep in mind that the outdoor antenna needs to be mounted in a location with at least some signal, preferably 3 to 4 bars for optimal performance. The package includes everything you need, from the signal booster unit to the antennas and cables. It's FCC certified, so you don't have to worry about interference or lethal issues. Performance-wise, this booster shines in homes with moderately strong outdoor signals. While it can cover up to 6,000 square feet, areas with weaker outdoor signals may see reduced coverage. It's perfect for households that need a performance boost for streaming, video calls, and general internet use. However, it's not ideal for extremely remote locations where outdoor signals are almost non-existent. Overall, it's a solid choice for medium to large homes. Pros include its large coverage area and carrier compatibility, while cons include its somewhat complex installation process and the need for a decent outdoor signal. Number 4, we have the weBoost Drive Reach Overland. This booster is specifically designed for off-road enthusiasts and adventurers, making it a unique product in this lineup. Its rugged design includes a durable outdoor antenna and a versatile mounting bracket, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It's compatible with all major U.S. carriers and supports the latest 5G and 4G LTE technologies, making it ideal for anyone who's constantly on the move. The Drive Reach Overland is a bit bulkier than other boosters on this list, but it's built to last. The installation process is straightforward, and the included mounting hardware is versatile enough to adapt to different vehicles. It's worth noting that this booster is FCC approved, with a maximum gain of 50 dB, ensuring reliable signal enhancement without interfering with carrier networks. This booster excels in remote or rugged locations where signal strength is a challenge. Its performance is top-notch, delivering fewer dropped calls and more reliable data connections even in areas with minimal cell service. However, its focus on mobility and off-road use means it's not the best choice for residential or office settings. Pros include its rugged build, strong performance in remote areas, and 2-year warranty, while cons include its higher price point and limited suitability for non-vehicular use. Coming in at number 3 is the Bamwears cell phone booster for home and multi-room. This booster is a powerhouse, boasting coverage of up to 6,500 square feet, which makes it ideal for larger homes or offices. It's compatible with all major U.S. carriers and supports both 4G LTE and 5G signals. With a maximum gain of 70 dB and advanced components, it's designed to handle multiple devices simultaneously. The Bamwears booster is well-built and sleek, with a light blue finish that adds a modern touch. The package includes everything you'll need for setup, including a high-gain outdoor antenna and a powerful indoor panel antenna. Installation is relatively simple, but you'll need to ensure that the outdoor antenna is mounted in an area with good signal reception for the best results. Performance-wise, the Bamwears booster is impressive. It eliminates dead zones and delivers strong, consistent signals for streaming, gaming, and calls. However, its performance is heavily dependent on the strength of the outdoor signal, and its large coverage area may be overkill for smaller homes. Pros include its excellent coverage, robust performance, and FCC certification, while cons include its dependency on outdoor signal strength and slightly higher weight compared to competitors. At number 2, we have the AMazboost cell phone booster for home office. This booster is a great option for those who want a small, efficient device that can handle both 4G LTE and 5G signals. It's designed to cover spaces up to 2,000 square feet, making it perfect for smaller homes or home offices. The built-in LCD display and companion app make installation and monitoring a breeze, giving it an edge over other boosters in terms of user-friendliness. The AMazboost booster is compact and lightweight, with a modern design that fits well in home office setups. Its directional antenna is powerful and allows for precise signal targeting, while its automatic game control ensures optimal performance without user intervention. It's also FCC approved, so you can use it without any concerns about interference. While the AMazboost performs well in smaller spaces, it's not designed for larger homes or areas with extremely poor outdoor signals. It's best suited for users who need a quick, hassle-free solution to improve signal strength in a limited area. Pros include its ease of use, compact size, and reliable performance, while cons include its limited coverage area and dependency on at least one bar of outdoor signal. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazboost cell phone booster for home. This booster is the perfect all-around option for anyone looking to improve their cell signal at home. Supporting all major U.S. carriers and both 4G LTE and 5G signals, it provides excellent performance for small homes or single rooms. With a maximum coverage area of 2,500 square feet and the ability to enhance signals up to 100 times, it's a reliable and affordable choice for most users. The Amazboost booster features a sleek silver design and comes with a directional outdoor antenna, an indoor antenna, and a 60 feet RG6 cable for easy installation. While the setup process does require roof installation and some effort, the detailed instructions make it manageable for most users. Additionally, its FCC approval ensures that it operates safely and efficiently. In terms of performance, the Amazboost offers a noticeable improvement in call quality, data speeds, and overall reliability. It's ideal for small households dealing with weak signals due to distance from cell towers or interference from trees and other obstacles. However, it's not suitable for apartments or areas with extremely poor outdoor signal strength. Pros include its affordability, compatibility with multiple carriers, and strong performance, while cons include its limited coverage area and installation requirements. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.